And in today's video, we will be going over how to create a Facebook ad campaign for remodeling business from scratch and get you high quality leads. I'm Yuvraj, the co-founder of Yuka Media, and we help remodeling businesses in getting highly qualified leads and appointment for their business with homeowners who are genuinely interested in their services. So if you are a remodeling business looking to grow, scale, or improve your marketing strategies, you can book a consultation call with me or my team using the link in the description below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So now let's dive in. In today's video, we'll be going over how to generate high quality leads for your remodeling business using Facebook ads. So just a little bit about Facebook. So a lot of business owners contractors think that Facebook doesn't work for them. But let me show you that Facebook, there are over 2.9 billion active users worldwide. And there is a local targeting options for homeowners. It means that you can target homeowners, especially in your local area, who are actively looking for a remodel or any type of construction work that you provide. And it is a visual focused platform. And as we know, remodeling and kitchen, these are visual focused things. And people love to see kitchens and bathrooms, so you can showcase your services before and after pictures, to captivate the interest of the homeowners. And local area reach capabilities of Facebook, it is just amazing. So now this is the step by step framework of running effective Facebook ads. So yeah, the first what you have to do is you have to define your audience. For us, it is homeowners, age between, we can take 35 to 65 or 25 to 65, depends on area to area. People who have interest in home improvement, interior design, kitchen remodeling. So now you have to have a offer to run Facebook ads, which is a free in-home consultation or a free 3D consultation or 1,000 off for new customers, something like that to attract homeowners for your services. Now you have to have before and after pictures, pictures of your completed remodels, which can captivate the interest of homeowners again. Yeah, and if you have a website, it is optimized. It is plus point for you. It can help you a lot. And also you can set up retargeting campaigns, the people who are visiting your website or social media handles, by creating an audience. Now we will be setting up a campaign for leads or conversion, targeting homeowners in your local area. We will be targeting Los Angeles for this particular campaign. So yeah, let's get in and let's create a live campaign for a kitchen remodeling services. So you will go to your campaign. We'll just go and we'll create a leads campaign, because of course you want leads. And then we'll click on continue. I prefer to manually design campaign, but so you can also do that. Yeah. So we can name it kitchen remodeling December 24. Yeah. So we have selected its lead category. If you have multiple ad sets to test, you can create A/B test and test out which is working well and which is not, and you can scale on that. And also advantage campaign budget, you can also use that if you have multiple ad sets. So now let's get to our ad set where we'll define our audience. So it is homeowners. We'll take 30-kilometer radius, and the location we will take it is Los Angeles. This is just for us to know which is the campaign. We'll be capturing leads in instant form. If you have website and form, you can also capture leads in that. But instant form, this will just pop up in the Facebook, so it's easy for them to fill up the form. So it is having more conversion rate than your website forms. So yeah, now we will be setting. I would suggest you setting daily budget of around minimum $20 a day to test out, and then you can scale after your campaign is working. Which of the ad set is working, you can scale on that. We will use ad set as $30 a day, and yeah. So you can set any date. Now the location, I'll just edit the location and I'll target Los Angeles. So what we can do is, so I'm targeting Los Angeles as a city, but we can also go in there and pop a pin on your business location. So maybe if I want to drop a pin, I can select which is the location. So let's say our business is here. So I'll drop a pin over here, and the radius we are taking 30 kilometers. So you can target 30-kilometer area around our pin all of these people will be able to see your ads. And you can also have multiple locations, and if you have someone, maybe we want to exclude a location, so what we can do is we can drop another pin. And if we want to exclude that location, what we can just do exclude location. And yeah, so we can do that. We can exclude location. If you have some location which you don't want to serve, you can just exclude it. Now, this is audience, this is advantages audience suggested by Facebook, but we will go to original audience options, because we need homeowners. Now, we will be targeting age from 25 to 65. Basically homeowners, they have age of 25 to 65, but even if you don't change it, Facebook will automatically figure out people those who are filling out forms, and only target people similar to that. Because Facebook have a lot of data and machine learning. It is way beyond what we are targeting. Facebook knows which people are filling out forms, which are not, so it automatically targets that audience. So now detail targeting, I'll just edit it. We can target using interest. Maybe it is home improvement. So there are different home improvement, home and garden. For you, we will keep it simple. We will not target anything. We will just add it to interest. So basically, our audience size here is for our targeted area, it is 3 to 4 million. So we'll be targeting. Let's target home improvement. So just keep in mind, you have to target interest, not employers or anything else, or demographics. We have to target interest. And as you can see, the audience, it is now in our range, which is we need to have around 1 million. If we will have a broad audience, we might not get a good conversion rate. We will also target interior design. So interior design in interest. Yeah. So now we are having around 2.3 to, and yeah. So there are a lot of, demographic graphics. If we see furniture, home repair, modern, and a lot of, and if we browse in demographics, we can go to education. What kind of education they are having? Are they in high school? Are they in university? And there are a lot of options that we can have. Are they parents? Parents up to 12 months, or they are preschoolers, they have teenagers. So yeah, there is a lot of option, but we should not get lost in it, because Facebook knows after we launch an ad, Facebook will know who are the people who are clicking on your ad and converting, and it will automatically target those. And this is, you should not get into so much detail, because you will just end up spending more. So we have to just keep it simple. And placement, I'll recommend you manual placements. So even if you don't want to do manual placements, you can do advantage plus placements. Facebook will test out in all of the Facebook audience, that was Instagram, all of the marketplaces and shops, and the place where it's converting, the ad will show over there more. But I'll suggest you to go with Facebook and Instagram for now. Facebook and Instagram feed, stories and reels. These are the perfect location where people are scrolling more and active more. So yeah, according to our budget, it's showing that we'll get around 13 to 40 leads per day. But yeah, we have a instant form which is having 3 to 5 steps. Just to capture information about homeowners. So yeah, let's go. Let's get to the next. So now this is a ad. We were on campaign level, where we set the ad objective as a leads. Then we were homeowner. Then we were on ad set level, where we set you know we set it as the audience targeting, the age, and the interest. Now let's name it as 2500 off. So we'll be doing that. And we'll be setting up a creative. you know we can set up a primary text for that. So let's add a short headline. We can add, get your home. We have this image for creative. Yeah, so we will click on done. This is how our image will show on the ad. So in our ad creative, we have limited offer. We have created sense of urgency, 25 off. We have given offer and schedule free in-home estimate. So this is perfect. The people will book appointment and also share their information, fill out our forms by seeing this. And we also have a testimonial in the background. Uh, Kitchen that was recently completed. So yeah, we'll click on done. Now it's about primary text, headline, description, and all of this. So call to action. So let's add a primary text. Actually, I've already written it in my file. So let's just copy and paste it. So yeah, it's tired of outdated cabinets and countertops. Our team specializes. So we'll add something which captivates the limited free time offer. So it will create a sense of urgency for them to create book a call with you, or just fill out the form about the information about the project they want to done. Headline, will keep it a short. Transform your kitchen into your dream space. Book a free consultation, and call to action will write as get code. So as you can see, this is our full ad that will show in the feed of the people. I think it is captivating enough. It is looking good enough that they will submit, and we will get a lot of qualified leads using that. And now we'll collect information in a lead form. So the 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 scope of this lead form is to get more leads. So let's just see the form which we have already created. So yeah, this is our form. Transform your kitchen. We will design, build custom kitchens tailored for your needs. Fill out the form. What's their project timeline, and what's their budget, and they will review their info, and yeah, they're all set, and then they will be redirected to our website. Now, if you want this ad copy for the exact ad copies that we have used in it, which promote itself, we have spent around 100K. You can just book a call with me using a link in the description below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Now, after the leads are submitted, we need to have a CRM for that. It's not very complex. I'll not try to make it more complex for you, but let me just show you the CRM that we have. So after the leads are submitted, all of the leads, they come into CRM with us, and these are the opportunities that we have. So these are the lead in responded to, inbound calls, appointments set. This is CRM for one of our clients, where we ran only just a lead generation campaign on Facebook, and we got around 552 opportunities. Yeah, it's a long time, but yeah, these are leads which have come in. These are leads which they have responded to. These are leads which have booked inbound calls, and 71 opportunities where appointments have been set. And after the leads come in, we have to nurture them. So we have automations for that too. We have workflows already set up. Let me show you a workflow. So it is a appointment reminder sequence. As soon as someone books an appointment, SMS and email is sent over to them, and before 45 minutes, also voicemail and SMS is sent over to them, and then also before 15 minutes. And if the leaders book the call, we also nurture them. We You have to send them like how to design your kitchen, or guides like that, so it can make them trust you, nurture them. We have a full sequence for that too. And yeah, so this is what we do. Let me show you some of the results which we've got, not in Facebook but all in Google Ads. So we got around 158 conversions, spending around 1800. This is one of our business partner, and yeah, this was a big business, but based in UK, so they spend around 6K, and got around 335 conversions. So yeah, it was a big business. So yeah, I just wanted you to show how to create ad, and you can see how attracting it looks when someone sees it. Is if I was a homeowner and some ad came up in front of me and I was looking for a remodel, I would definitely click and fill out my information and get the work done. So yeah, like if you want this type of results, that's it from my side. And if you follow the step by step strategies which I shared with you, I bet that you can get very good results for your business. And if you think you need my help in setting up campaigns for you, setting up whole system with CRM for you, you can just directly book a call with me using link in the description below. And I will also give you the tested strategies and funnels which we have used from for our previous clients. And just to let you know, we have spent over $100,000, just in testing these strategies, and we have came to the point that these strategies, these are so good that we are getting results that our client can't even handle. And let me know in the comment if you want me to create an video for any other thing. And you can also subscribe for Yuka Media for more tips and for remodeling business. Thank you so much for watching the video. Looking forward to have a call with you if you're interested in my services.